As much as I liked the look of these 79 wheels, these are an optional 79 wheel. They're 15 by 6. Yeah, 6. So 235, 75, 15s is what fit on them, and you weren't going to get anything wider. It's a 6-inch wheel. Love the look, but I just couldn't stand the look of it being on stilts. And after a lot of deliberation, 15, 16, 17, 18s, 20s, 22s. I wanted to keep it true to its decade, its time period. So I went with the 15s. And as you can see, I went with the Pacers. It's a 15 by 8 Pacer wheel with Cooper Cobra 275 60 15s. So these tires are a little shorter diameter wise than the stock 235 75 15s. According to the website I found, at 70 miles an hour I'm actually doing about 67 and a half. So it's not too bad. Give you a little more gearing, which would be nice. But yeah, when it says 70, you're doing about 67 and a half. It's about 2.5 miles an hour off. But that'll also help if I decide to lower it. I am considering doing that leveling kit. Lower the front about 3 inches, lower the back about 4. But I haven't decided. What do you think? You think it'd look better lowered or leave it at the stock height? Now this has the helper springs and stuff in the back because it's got the towing package. So I think it's actually a tad higher in the back than one without. So the tread width on these Cobras are 8.5 inches, just somewhere in there. And the wheels are 8, so they don't bubble a whole lot. It's a little bit, but not too bad. But that is appropriate for its time period. And they're actually thick enough where they don't look like stilts. Oh, and they are bullet holes. So again, true to the Ford of that day, what they would have. First thing my wife said to me when she was following me home and we stopped at the gas station, needs wider wheels. Well, there you go. It's a much more muscular look. Very happy with them, and the Cooper Cobras have a decent load rating versus some other period correct wheels. So that's why I went with those. These clear everything. The 79 hubs, the disc brakes. So we're good there. No rubbing. So I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.